Hey guys, Animus Travels and Travels with Animus here. It's the first storm of spring, I guess we could say. And at first we had a lightning thunderstorm. And now, as you can hear, it's hailing. And it's after 11 o'clock. Well after 11 o'clock. I'd say around 11:30 or so. Hey, sweet, what time is it?
Let me see. It is 11:51.
It's 11:51, almost midnight. Sorry about that. But yeah, as you can see, if you can, let me see if I can zoom in.
Am I on screen?
No.
Good.
Sorry if it's a bit dark, guys. There we go. Yeah. Thanks, sweetie. Yeah. It's raining and hailing at the same time. Can't really see the hail because it's falling onto the street. But yeah, there's a few pieces of hail here. So please like, follow, share, and leave comments, as well as like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell, and leave me comments. And I'm sorry that I haven't been reporting lately. I've had communication trouble, but I'm back now. So until next time, everyone, hope everyone is staying up to date with Disney news and stuff. And I'll see you all soon with new reports like this.